This conference will now be recorded.
So far, we stepped into the S4HANA session. So yesterday we observed what is the importance of the S4HANA. The S4HANA is a new business suite. Okay. So the backend database is HTTP database. Okay. So today we need to observe in S4HANA system. Okay. So in S4HANA system, org data will observe. Yesterday I have shown you, but once again we will see how to set up the organization data in S4HANA system. Come to here. First of all, I need to go to access, go to remote desktop connection. Click on connect. Click on yes. Okay. So here, what I need to enter my user name password. Give me a second. Come to here. Upendra. వచ్చాడా నా పేరు బాలాజీ అంట నా ఒరిజినల్ నేమ్ బాలరాజు రాజేష్ గారు రెడీ వచ్చారమ్మా చదివినట్టు మీరు కూర్చోండి ఇక్కడ చదివినట్టు yes చదివినట్టు ఓకే go to SPRO SAP reference IMG. Now come to enterprise section. Okay. The enterprise section. The enterprise section contains two parts here: definition part and assignment part. Okay. When I go to definition part, in definition part, I need to go to financial accounting. In financial accounting, generally, so I need to define a company. This already just I'm not doing so because you know how to define a company. So the maximum 6 digit. If you go to entries, enter some XYZ group of companies. So here just enter the details of the company and you can enter your country, language, currency and all. So you need to click on. So this already we observed. Okay. So we don't need to worry. So just I'm not defining the company. So this already practiced in ECC. And coming to the company code also. But actually in real time, this will be purely be done by the finance people. So they will create some control area. Okay. So business area, functional area, FM segment, profit center. So all these parameters will be defined by the finance people. But what we have to do, if I go to edit company code data, so they have 1710. So in ECC system, so we'll take only 1000 company code. Okay. But in S4HANA system, which company code will take? So in real time, our 001 is there. But in ECC, we are taking 1000. But in S4HANA, we are taking as a reference as 1710. So for you people also, you need to create a new company code. Okay, so just you observe my company code is also 1000. If you create a new company code, so you need to assign your new plants to your new company code. So just make it 1710 only. I don't want to create new company code. So this also, you know how to create a company code here, how to copy the company code here. Okay. So now come to logistic general. The logistic general, So now define copy delete check plan. Okay, so define copy delete check plan and define plan. Okay, so here let me create a new company code, a new plan here. So what is the plan here? So nomenclature should not be repeated, right? So like I'll try to do a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 plant I want to create. So select your 1710. You need to click on copy as. So I want to create a plant as 1, 2, 3, 4. Plant 1 is USA. So this is the test plant 1. Remaining it is not required. So 1, 2, 3, 4 plant already is there. Okay. So click on copy as. So, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 plant is there or what? 3, 4 plant is not there. Okay. Okay, so now click on continue. So I created as a plant 1, 2, 3, 4. It is enough here. Just you need to click on save. The transport request is generated. Okay, so you want to create your own transport request here. I created 1, 2, 3, 4. The plant. The address also copied here. You need to click on copy delete check plan and click on copy or object. Now tell me if copy 1710. So where I need to copy in ECC we need to copy from 1000, but here I need to copy from 1710 to here 1, 2, 3, 4 plan. Clear, Amarendra? So whenever you are copying, you need to accept the complete data. Do you want to copy the complete object? Yes. Click on yes. Do you want transport number and yes? You need to click on no. If you click on yes also, number and yes will not be transported. You can see how the tables are copying in downside. I need to click on continue. So all the tables are copying. So do you want transport number and yes? No. You can see plant 1710 compared with the 1, 2, 3, 4 with errors. No problem. It's information message. You click on continue. You can see the complete activity 1710 copied to 1, 2, 3, 4. So just we are reducing. So in ECC already we observe how to define company and how to define copy and copy we observe. Just I create only one plant. Like vice versa, you can create a number of plants here. It's not a big deal. Next, come to materials management. In materials management, maintain the store locations. So go to 1, 2, 3, 4. See 1, 2, 3, 4 store locations. Even though the store locations also, there are 12 store locations in there. You know how to create new, how to maintain new store. Just go to new and you can maintain the new store locations for your. But I am not going to maintain the store location. Let me 171A store location. In this one, EWM store location is also there 171D, but don't. So I don't want to maintain the new store location. Already store location is copied. So this is also I will keep it like this only. So purchase organization also not required for us. So already we have 1710 purchase organization is there. That is enough for us. Now, so just come to here. Again, if I come to here, go to assignment part. In assignment part, financial accounting. The financial accounting, I need to assign company code to company. As I have not created any company code and company, but 1710 already company is already assigned. Okay, now if I come back here, So remaining will be done by the financial people here, like they will assign the rate control area, consolidation area and all. So again you come to last general. Last general, assign plans to company code. Assign plan to company code here. You come to assign plan to company code. By copying function, your plant is already assigned to your company code 1714. So here your 1234 plant is assigned to 1710 company code. So this element is also there here. So we don't need to observe it. Okay, this already it is there. So in ECC, what we did, your new plant is assigned to copied company code. Then if you create a new company code, you need to assign company code to plant. Okay. This element already is there. It is also there. Okay, not to worry. Next, come to here. Go to materials management. Materials management, assign purchase recognition to company code is there. So 1710 purchase recognition is assigned to 1710 company code, and also assign purchase recognition to plant. So here your 1710, go to new entries. Your purchase recognition 1710 need to assign to your 1234 plant. So this is also already assigned. Okay. Go to position. So 1710 is assigned to 123. The copying function. So it is already there. No problem. Okay. With this, we complete the complete enterprise structure. Now, today, I am trying to create a material. So now, so this is, it look like same. Only in ECC we copied from 1000, but in SRO system we copied from 1710. The only test I created only one plant. Okay. Now let us see what is the transition code to create a metal master. So now I will create a metal master. Go to MM0. You need to understand the maximum length of the metal code is 18 characteristics in ECC. But in S4 system, 36 characteristics. So it is double. So in ECC we have only 18 characteristics, but in S4 system it is switched to up to 36 characteristics here. But the client, so you want 10 digits or 15 digits, maximum they set here. So 36 characteristics here. Now come to industry sector. Let me go to industry sector, mechanical one. Material type, I want to create some raw material. I want to create some raw material. Go and selection your raw material. So if I go into selection views, basic MM views, basic data, purchasing, general plan store location one, accounting one. Okay. Select and click on org levels. So what is the plant you created? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what are the store locations is there? 171A. 171A is there. Okay. So the store location 171A. Okay. No confusion, right? I am trying to create a material. Immediately the system is going to stop here. So what is this tables T column and TW inconsistent notify your system? This is a different issue. Okay. Let us resolve it. Okay. So T column and TW inconsistent, please. Okay. Notify your system administrator. Okay. So let us will resolve this issue. So it is an inconsistency. So here, why it is inconsistency here? Check the assignment plans to company code. Check the configuration of the valuation level. The assignments are correct. Check the entry in T001. Now you go and check the assignment plan to company code. So these are the possibilities. No problem. You do click on proceed button. Let's see the system will take you or not. The system is taken, no problem. So you can cancel. So why system is facing this issue? Go to SPRO, SAP Materials Management. If you are getting this issue, go to enterprise section. In assignment part, last general, assign plan to company code. Select this line item. You delete this line item. Yes. So click on save. Click continue. Just go back. Again, you come to your assign plan to company code. Go to entries. What is your company code? 1710. The company code is 1710. 1710. Your plant is 123. Okay. So now just you go back. So once you do this, what happened here? Okay, so OMWD valuation area will be disturbed, right? So your 1, 2, 3, 4 plant. So you need to send to your valuation for pin code 000. Okay. Valuation grouping code will be disturbed here. So your 1, 2, 3, 4 send. The mini valuation is sent to here. So this is my chart of account YCOM. Now this time if I am trying to create a metal master MM01, go to selection views, basic data, purchasing, general plan store location one, accounting one. Where is my general plan store location one? Okay, go to org levels, enter the plant here 1, 2, 3, 4. Go and select here 1, 2, 3, 4 plant. Now it is there. What is the store location? 171A. So now we are facing one more error. Okay, what is that error? Material ledger must be selected for the valuation area. Why you are getting this error? So this is what information. So material ledger must be set productive for the valuation area. This is actually financial return. Now I'll do one thing. Okay, this material. When I'm trying to create this material, so we are not able to. So if you click on continue, the system is asking material ledger must be set productive for the valuation area 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Okay. So for this actually, for material master, one activity is there, that is material ledger activity. But in ECC, this material ledger activity is in optional field. But in S4HANA system, material ledger is the mandatory field. What is material ledger means? If my business in multiple locations here, see my business in Sri Lanka, my business in US, my business in India. So Indian currency, Sri Lankan currency and US currency will not be same. Okay, so my currency will be INR. If I go to US currency, US dollars. If I go to Sri Lanka, Sri Lankan rupee. So, but here the business want to see in the same page. Okay, same page you want to see. The client wants to see the same page. In S4HANA, in ECC, material ledger was optional field, but in S4HANA, this material ledger was a mandatory field. So we created new valuation area. For this valuation area, you need to activate your material ledger. Okay, so material ledger should be productive. So when you are getting this here, if I go to selection org levels, okay, so first you will go to basic data, purchasing, come to general plan store location one, and next on accounting one view, go to org levels, enter your plan 1, 2, 3, 4, enter your store location 171A. Immediately the system is stopping us. Material ledger must be set productive for valuation area 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us see previously. Okay, now this is my new valuation area I created. That's what we are facing. What about 1710? If I go to 1710, click on continue. happily we can able to create a material master. Okay. So what is the material number system is generating? Only 4 that you can change. Maximum length of the material characteristics 836 characteristics. But we are able to create the material or not? So we are able to create the material description and it. So previously you will see the description here, but in S4 system. So that is the way as a consultant you need to observe. What are the changes happening? Now this is some test material. So what is the base unit of measure? So if I go to drop down, n number of base unit of measure will be there. I'm going to PC. So go to drop down material groups. So this is the material group 1. So 0 1 material group. So remaining it looks like same. So basic data one look like same. Next go to purchasing view. In purchasing also you can see here batch management is there. So almost it look like same. Okay, so source dish indicator. Some fields they removed, but altogether it is automatic PO is there. Critical cost, post inspection, schedule indicator, zero processing time, the purchasing value key. So all the fields remain same. No need to worry. Again, if I click on continue, general bound store location view also you can see. So storage condition temperature. If you observe in ECC, if you practice, then you can easily understand. Here also you can see the same. Okay. Again, if you click on continue, so now you're getting accounting one view. Accounting one view. So previously what we observed here, the currencies. So both are in US dollars. Actually, what is the importance of this? This should be material ledger should be active in S4 system. Suppose my company is in 3 different locations, US dollars, INR, Sri Lankan rupees. All you can see. Okay, but here both are maintained in same currency. Okay, so here what I need to enter the valuation class here. So I must enter the valuation class. What is my valuation class? On 3000 valuation. See for 3000 valuation class here, if I come to here, okay. See here price control indicators. So we have 2 price control indicators. For external procurement materials, we will give the moving price. For in-house production materials, we'll give the stock price. Here, the price control indicator. See, I want to give the moving price. In EC system, it recognizes moving price here. But in S4 system, it is per unit price here. Okay, so here you need to mention the price here. Per unit price here. So per unit price here. Where selected moving price, then it is showing per unit price here. So it is not written as a moving price. They have written as a per unit price. This is the changes. So now you can mention the price. Okay. What is asking here? Local currency conversion. So if it is multiple currencies, automatically converted. So this is the way I can create a material. My on yes. Successfully I created a material. What is my material code? 2416 material I created. 2416. Okay. Now we go and observe the tables AC16. Or a table. I will show you 1 or 2 tables. Then you can also see what are the tables you changed or not. So MAT means material number 2416. Test material. When I created 30 December, this is my user ID. What is my material type? All the general data you can see. Okay, client data. Same way you can go to market tables also. Is a material. Okay. Come back here. Now, when I'm trying to create a material, I go to selection views. In my valuation area, basic data, purchasing, I come to general plan store location 1, coming to accounting 1. So enter your plant. Sorry, what is your plant here? 1 2 3 4, right? So 1 2 3 4 plant. 171A. Okay, the system is stopping me, right? So if you click on continue. So why it is? Because in ECC it is okay, chalega. So in ECC it is work simply After creating plant, immediately can able to create. But in S1 is not like this. What is the changes you observed? Material number is changed from 18 characters to 36 characters. Material ledger is mandatory. So the difference you need to understand what is the ECC and S1, what is the optional field and what is the mandatory field. Oh, Yashasvi is left out. Okay. So your material ledger must be set product for valuation area 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you slowly open this here. To activate material ledger must be set product for the valuation area 1, 2, 3, 4. And scenario 1, new valuation area has been created in this product. So why it is happening here? Because in my new valuation area, in my new plant, okay, so new plant is created in my next product. So what are the possibility it is showing? Scenario 1, new valuation area has been created in valuation area means plant. Definitely we create a new plant, right? System conversion from SAP ECC business shoe to SAP Simple Finance or valuation area. Okay, so already extend to migration source system. And scenario 3, the valuation area and 1 is blocked for the ML related action. The first reason is actually new valuation is created. So if new valuation is created, so what I need to do? I need to go to OMX2, OMX3, OMX1 and CKM start. It is purely for finance people. You don't need to worry. Okay, so what I will do is go to OMX1. Go to OMX1. OMX1 transaction code. Your new valuation 1, 2, 3, 4. The material ledger should be activated. What I need to do? I need to activate my material ledger. The price determination process here. It's a transaction based. We can make it. Okay. So go to OMX2. Again, is your 1710. So this you need to activate and enter transaction based. You need to click on save. So live data must be converted. No problem. You need to click on continue. You need to click on. So OMX1. This is the activity you need to perform. Next, come back here. Go to OMX2. Go to OMX2. In OMX2, your material ledger type is 0001. Just observe, define individual characteristics here. Okay, so company currency and group currency. Two currencies is maintained. This is only observed OMX2. You don't need to do anything. Go to OMX3. In OMX3 transaction code, what do you observe? Status material currency was allowed into effect. Perfect. Okay, your new valuation area is assigned to company code. Already in the green module. OMX1, X2, X3 is our. Now finally, I need to run the valuation area should be productive. So what is the transaction code here? CKM START. CKM start. So this CKM start will be run by the purely finance people in real time. We don't need to worry. CKM start. Okay, go to CKM start. Now first we'll see test run. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. First we'll do running the. So this is the production setup for the material ledger. So all the data will be converted here. So enter your one plant. First we'll see test run here. So click on execute here. Yes. Okay. So your production server. So here the plant started. So click on check. Here. You can see page by page are evening. So number of copies again. So job started for what happened here? The job production startup for the user S702 is scheduled. No problem. Now what I need to do? I'll remove the test run. Execute here. Check. Start immediately. Why should I schedule? Immediately I need to create a metal. So start immediately. Check and confirm. So again you need to click on continue. Now job production startup for user A702 is ready. Okay. Now come to here once the job is scheduled. Okay. So now where you can see here to monitor your SM37. So here it's finished. Production setup is finished here. So here you can see the spool also. So this is the queue here. Right. So this is not required for you. Now I want to test. I want to create a material now. MM01. Go to selection views. Basic data. Purchasing. Come into general plant store location. Come to accounting one view. Go to place. Go to the plant. What is my plant? Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. And enter your stores 171A. Now you can able to create a material. So this is what actually material ledger should be. If I go to test material, some base rate of measure, some PC, some material group, enter. Why you are good here? Different system, right? So 000 buyer group is not there. No problem. No problem. Coming to accounting menu, I can see the material ledger is already activated. Only two currencies here. You need to enter the valuation class, right? The valuation class. Enter. Here you can enter the moving price. Generally for moving price, when I change it to B, automatically per unit price will come. Per unit price some $100. So if it is showing this currency is different, this currency need to show you. Okay. Now with this, I created a material 2418. So today we observed org data and simply I have not created much more. So already you know. So just I created a new plant and I want to show you material ledger. That's what I created. Okay. Metal master we created. What are the remaining master data? We'll see in tomorrow. Right. Thank you for joining session. Lakshmi rose update yes on Nico. Okay, so don't worry, and I will forward the this what we called okay, so registration form also. Okay, for background verification documents. Okay.
సరే సార్ సార్ మంచి
Thank you. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్ థ్యాంక్ యూ